bubble wrap. My mom gifted me this science kit. I want to try a few experiments. Let's get started. Hey, let's do my first experiment, Fizzy magic potion. To do this Fizzy magic potion, the equipment are 2 cups, spatula, measuring cylinder, stirring sticks, critic acid, baking soda, yellow color, blue color, and water. Measure 25 ml water into the measuring cylinder and pour it into the first cup. Now we should pour it into the first cup. Add 2 drops of yellow color and blue color. Mix this potion with the stirring stick for a few seconds. In the second cup, use a spatula to add 1 scoop of acid and 1 scoop of baking soda. Mix it well. Now, in the first cup, we made water out of yellow and blue color. Now we should have to pour it. You can see the bubbles, right? This is the Fizzy magic potion. Hey, can you see bubbles under the water? And it seems the water is separate of bubbles.